On day 2, we will have a hands-on live models this time, so all the doctors can inject in a real live patients. They will learn how to assess and analyze the face for a full face transformation.
As well as teaching doctors how to inject safely, we're also concerned about how to select the patient assessment, because it's a milestone of a successful treatment, and according to race, gender, ethnicity.
I learned different techniques
because there were a lot of experts from all around the world just teaching us the different standards of beauty and how to achieve them and how to understand every patient and the anatomy of every patient.
So fabulous tips and tricks to take home that I'll be looking forward to implement back in Australia.
I've been to so many trainings before, but this particular training by all the experts, it's really an amazing experience.
M21 is one of the most significant and important courses for those doctors that they want to go further on their practice.